everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I just got a very exciting package this morning and I actually received the new Beaute, this 4 new eyeshadow right here. So I ordered in the bundle but in the PR package. So if you order in the PR package, it's a little bit more expensive, but you can order just like without the PR package as well, which is a little cheaper, and then you just get all 4 this eyeshadow palette. But if you order in like a PR package, you will receive this humongous beautiful box right here, and when you open it inside, this is what you will receive. So it's like a 4 eyeshadow palette. So I just wanted to explain to you guys how I feel about it, and then this is pretty much like my first impression. So I did every eye look by using each palette, and then I'm gonna start with the first one, which is the Blossom Passion. So this is the palette looks like. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and also this is the box looks like. So I use a couple of the shade from this one, which is like really reddish, really pinkish, and this, I think it's the colors and everything is really nice. The colors is blend super smooth, it's been like a dream, and the color, it's like every color is just like super pigmented, and then they're all actually showed up on my skin. That's what I like the most. And there's a couple kickback and a couple fall out as well, but it's not as bad as, you know, I'm saying the other palette. But yes, I really like that palette. So the next one is this one right here. So this is what it looks like on the inside. This is probably like one of my favorite because I really like the rainbow color. But yes, in this one there's a couple fall out like a really dark color like blue and purple. But I really like the texture and the feel of this one, or like every single one of them. I think the texture is like, it's almost feel like dry, but it's swatched really nicely, and when you use on the eyes, like it looks super good and super pigmented. And one of and then this one right here, I think is like the color you can adapt to use with other palette as well, as like a little like a transition palette. And the next one is the Classical Paradise. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is right here. The color in this, I really like it, especially the color Golden Apple. This one right here, I think the color is just like super unique, and I don't own this kind of color, and then the color is just like super pigmented. So the color is just like super beautiful. Like the color is just so, it just blends so smooth. It doesn't give me any hard time to blend at all. Like there's no such a thing as like a bad in this palette, and this is my first time trying this this makeup product from this brand, and I'm super impressed. So the last one is the Paradise Fallen packaging, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This one is probably my least favorite. I'm not saying that just because the quality of the shadow, but it's actually the color, because I'm not like a purple type of person. But for the color white, I think this one is probably pretty much my least favorite. But the color of these, I feel like the purple, it's so hard when to make it super pigmented. It's really easy to blend. I feel like it's one of the really complicated color to do, but they did such a great job on this because the colors is like super smooth, and then it doesn't give me any hard time like when I was doing the makeup look, which is really great. But yes, this is the 4 eyeshadow palette. I can see myself reaching for more of these. The packaging is like 100, like literally, like all of these is like really beautiful. And what I'm wearing right now, I was using the blue one right here, which is the rainbow. I actually just created a little the rainbows and also like a glitter cut crease, which you guys will see on the mini tutorial as well. But yes, overall I really love this brand. I really love the quality of their eyeshadow and their texture, and even with the swatch or when you use it on the eyes, I think it just looks exact like, you know, like on the color. And even though you apply it on the wet base, it's still gonna look so great, even more pigmented. I guarantee you on that, because I was using my pillowies, and then the color just show off like super great. And if you guys would like to see how I achieve all this makeup look by using 4 different eyeshadow palette, please keep on watching.